scissors this time.
He's not filming yet.
Yeah, he is.
We've got Tristan behind the camera today. UPS showed up, brought a box. What you got there?
Scissors instead of a screwdriver.
Oh, okay. So we know what's in here, but you don't. We're gonna share. You want to cut?
Yep.
We've got a new gadget for my sweetheart. Air packets. We did order this from Bed Bath & Beyond.
Because they used their 20% coupon.
Because they always have their coupons.
Want a screwdriver?
I want a screwdriver, or you can cut it. I'm not allowed to play with scissors.
Yeah, but you poke screwdrivers in your hand instead.
Yeah, that doesn't bother me.
Bothers me.
Scissors are sharps.
Almost.
So, anybody that's still wondering, scissors?
They can't turn around so they can see what it is.
Well, it says right there, NeatoD7.
Oh.
Scissors that, right there. Please and thank you. Extra filters. Probably gonna want one of those. Magnetic tape. We need in our setup.
That packet thing.
I don't know what that is.
Should I look?
Yeah, go ahead and look at it. Figure out what it is.
It's a little comb.
Oh, that's for cleaning it.
Okay.
Here's the packet of rock candy.
That's the poison stuff I was looking for.
This is the base that charges it. Has an idiot-proof plug. Only goes in one way. Where are you going to plug this in at?
Over there. I gotta move a chair.
So this is going to come out the side.
The plugs, yeah, to the right.
It has spots for the cord in here to, you can lay it in there and shorten it or lengthen it. So we will undoubtedly play with that some more. And you can angle it out either side so that you don't have to have a big long cord laying on the floor. For now. Is it going like that? No, it goes the other way. Like that. Peel the sticker off. A quick start guide. More documentation and extra papers. More treats. Another sticker for you. This one has a little brush on the side to flip things.
Oh, that's what you were talking about.
Yes, that's the brush on the side.
Okay.
That goes along the edge and flips stuff out in front of it, so this part will pick up. Has the combination with the brush and the squeegees. We have both carpet and hard floors.
Yeah, that's what I want. So that when I suck up the Legos, I can find them again.
So there's
Instead of the dust collector where it sucks them all the way out. I want
Yeah.
to be able. I want to be able to look in there and find my Legos because I will suck them up because they will get left on the floor.
which is something
Lego
that
collection.
is,
That's part of it.
you know, that's a small part. We will be building a shelf over here for Legos.
But this is my Lego catcher so that
so-
I can get my Legos back out.
Because the grandkids do play with the Legos.
I don't. Not me.
No, not at
It
all.
does have fully independent articulating suspension.
What's this for?
That's the magnetic strip that you lay on them.
Oh, so it doesn't go down the stairs?
So it doesn't go down someplace.
Okay.
All right, so
I need this part.
So where's your quick start guide? Let's see what it says to do. Start here. Before beginning. Uh-oh.
You're reading the
Too late.
instructions?
He is rare.
Okay, we need to download the Neato app, open the Neato app and create a Neato account. Pairing mode for 60 minutes after we first turn it on, and we need to pair it with the app. So we gotta grab the phone and create an account and let it go.
Shall we pause there?
Yeah.
All right, we're back. As you can see, Christy, because she doesn't like clutter, picked up the box and got it out of the way. Gotten an app installed, had to create an account. Let's get started. Add a new robot screen on the phone.
Want to see what it looks like?
We hit that. Bought that 7 connected is what we've got. Next. Turn on robot Wi-Fi pairing mode. Press the start button on right and right bumper for 10 seconds. Now we did not put this on the charging base to charge it up. I'm hoping it had some charge on it, but it may not.
Doesn't look like it. Did you read that in the instructions about putting on the base first?
Yeah,
Do we need to?
no, we might have to.
What's on the side? What's this?
Is that the bumper you're supposed to press for 10 seconds?
I don't know what it is. It looks like some kind of button, but I didn't know it was like on and off.
I don't know, I can't see it. And here's the switch right here. Looks like it's gonna need, has 0 charge on it apparently.
Well, then maybe we should charge it.
Okay, we'll be back. Bring it over here, come on over here. As soon as I set it on the charge, the lights came on. You see we've got a pair of lights that came on. And we start button, turn it on. That's off. Press start button. Wi-Fi is blinking.
Oh, my leg's cramping. Ow.
Now we can see the Wi-Fi blinking.
Well, it looks like you have a full battery charge.
Plus, I don't know if I remember this one or not. I'm gonna go double check. This is it. Okay, yeah, I couldn't remember how many asterisks were in the password. Okay. What are we calling this, love?
Bandito, after my childhood doggy.
And how is that spelled?
B-A-N-D-I-T-O.
Bandito, bandito.
Because one of our grandsons called it the dog, and I wanted to give it.
So I'll start humming the Jeopardy theme.
Well, we got one green check mark. Connected to the Wi-Fi anyways. Connected to the internet.
Oh.
Got an okay. Hello, I'm Bandito, it says on the screen. Ready to clean.
Okay.
Start.
Ah, it's attacking me.
Follow it. Brighter than the last one we got. Okay, I hit pause on it, Kristen. Of course, Christy put the chairs away already. So I'll sit here by myself. We're not going to have you watch the hole. We'll come back and get a shot. Hopefully it'll do a nice job of cleaning the carpet here. It'll map out the whole area. Basically we have an open area here and a couple bedrooms where we just let it do its thing. We just got an alert from the vacuum that it needs the filter changed.
Okay.
And to empty the dustbin. It wasn't clear full. You can see that there is a lot of dirt and junk down in the filter. This side's the clean side. This is the side the dirt sticks to. Tap that there.
Okay. Okay, so there was 2 extra filters.
Yeah. By way of comparison, this is after what? Have we been running this?
2 weeks? Every day?
Once a day for 2 weeks.
And that's still how much credit was picking up?
And it's still picking that up. That's the dirt we took out was 2 days worth, I think. So we're gonna go ahead and put a newer, cleaner filter in. We were getting a lot more out of it previously. if you are squeamish about getting your hands dirty, like Christy is a little bit, not too bad, but
Well, this stuff, it's raw meat I have trouble with.
we cleaned this the other day, so it is still pretty clean. It comes with the
Put that in my trash can, please.
little hook with the razor blade to get stuff off. The replacement brushes and filters are all available, not only from Neato, but online at your favorite e-commerce. We'll tell you, are you happy with this, sweetheart?
Oh yeah, this is cool.
We're optimistic that as we continue to do this, that eventually it will be less frequent. Would you shut up? Stop it.
It's like having a kid beeping at you.
If you've got a better procedure for cleaning this, or if I'm doing it wrong, please feel free to comment. Something that we can push as far as the buttons to let it know we've changed the filter. There's two ends on the roller. Obviously this hex end fits on that one. On the other end, as you can see, this is not flat and straight. It is sort of idiot proof. Slide it on the hex end first, drop it down on there. It sits down all the way. This piece hooks underneath the 3 tabs on the front, clicks down. Little side brush is actually held on with a magnet.
Oh, I wonder why it didn't fall off, because it wasn't screwed on.
So that holds that on there. Take our new clean filter, stick that in there. Goes in like that, drops in there. The light went back to blue.
Now it's, yeah,
I'm gonna put it down semi-close to where we picked it up. It will figure out where it is. Should also comment, we have this running in turbo mode, which is louder than normal, trying to get the floor nice and really clean. Eventually we'll switch it to the quieter mode.
off and running.
Want to come over here real quick and see your nice.
Oh, see how pretty it looks? Well, except for my